Isaiah, can you follow Samuel? This is another example of modal filtration on the Anac Bikeway, where only bicycles can go through this spot and not cars, which means
some cars.
There's less cars on the Anac Bikeway. So we're still on the Anac Bikeway, but we might be on Union Street on the Anac Bikeway, or Union Avenue. With the modal filtration, where only bicycles can use that section, that little quarter block or 50-meter length. Maybe it's even shorter than 50 meters. That makes this more traffic calm, quieter, and safer. There might be the occasional car, but they'll tend to be slower on a traffic calm street. I wonder what the speed limit here. Oh, I see it. It's 30 up ahead. So here on the bikeway, I can see now that the speed limit is 30. The speed limit is 30 there, which is a much more comfortable speed for cycling. Gives cars more time to see the cycling and the cyclists. And if on the worst case scenario we were as cyclists hit by a vehicle, being struck at 30 kilometers an hour is going to be at least a little bit safer. Hopefully they would be able to apply the brakes before a collision. Oh, we get another example of modal filtration coming up ahead. It says Anac bike route, no through road except cyclists. Yeah, pretty much we follow the Anac bike route till we get to the seawall, and then it's like we're at the park pretty much with 2 meters.
This is when